Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Depending on which part of the world you are in right now. My name is Saksham Handu. I'm from India and I will be speaking on behalf of my organization, the MIFAS Initiative. And I will try to explain some key takeaways from the work done this year, which can be applied across other Android org projects. I will be speaking on rewrite up of the existing Android open source project. Okay, let's move to the next slide. In software industry, it's a saying, if you're not up to date, industry will make you out of date. Of late, there has been major changes in the mobile tech stack. We started the work by breaking it down in small steps as shown in the slide. The first step was migrating to Kotlin from Java. So I would say this year was more of updating the outdated code base to the newer Android development stack. For this, the main task was to refactor the code base to Kotlin. Now Kotlin removes verbosity of Java by removing boilerplate code. 5 lines of Kotlin is like 50 lines of Java. Isn't that great? And if I go on to list the benefits provided by Kotlin, it will take a hell lot more time. One challenge which we faced was testing all the flows in the app to check the stability of the newly Kotlin converted app. Unluckily, we did not have any unit or integration test written. Interns had to do a hell lot of testing. This challenge would have been avoided if tests would have been written from day one the project was created. So here's the second step. We worked on adding bare minimal tests for automation to just get started. Most of the open source projects are missing tests right now. I've seen legacy old projects are having no test at all. It's a major concern considering the maintenance of the project in long term. Test driven development approach needs to be followed. This approach ensures a lot of benefits in long term, although it will take up some time initially. Wouldn't it be a great idea if we are reusing single code base for multiple platforms instead of managing a separate code base for each platform? That's the third task. We started to work on Kotlin multilang. We did not migrated the code base to Kotlin multilang. That's too much of an asking from an intern, but we did a sample POC for it. Looking forward to be implemented in the near future. Now, looking at these three key takeaways, it might appear no new functionality was developed, but surely this refactoring will enhance development and maintenance work in the near future. Now, let's conclude. Now, follow these three key takeaways and your mobile projects will be top notch. Now, let's move to the next slide. I'd like to end up by thanking you all for listening and hearing me. Hoping you might have taken up some key learnings which you can apply to your organization. I really appreciate Google for its initiative on keeping open source development alive even in this tough time. That's it from my side. Thanks for having me.